Many people still prefer traditional careers like teaching or farming because they are stable. These roles have been around for centuries and remain important. However, the reality of today's job market is that technology is changing how work is done. Many of these jobs now require digital skills to stay competitive. Young people often apply for these roles while also learning new technologies. This combination helps them succeed in a modern world.
Every morning, the baker starts her day with a simple routine to prepare for the busy hours ahead. She measures out the sugar needed for her famous cookies, ensuring the recipe stays sweet and delicious. During the morning rush, she has to move quickly to bake enough bread for the customers. Her steady pace allows her to keep up with the demand without feeling overwhelmed. On an average day, she bakes around 50 loaves of bread, which is typical for her small bakery. By maintaining a workflow, she ensures that everything runs smoothly and her customers leave happy.
The tech industry continues to burgeon as new innovations emerge every year. This growth is transforming how we live and work. Advanced systems like artificial intelligence are now part of everyday life. They help automate tasks and improve efficiency. Their contribution to society is significant, making processes faster and more accurate. Many businesses rely on these technologies to stay competitive.
Scientists have discovered that people's personalities can be influenced by their genetic makeup. This connection between traits and DNA is fascinating. From a biology perspective, certain behaviors are linked to specific genes. These traits can often be visible in how individuals interact with others. For example, some people are naturally more outgoing than others. This research helps us understand human behavior better.
The city offers reliable transport options for travelers heading to different destinations. One popular route is the bus to Canada, which runs daily. It takes passengers directly to Toronto, a bustling city known for its culture and attractions. The journey is comfortable and affordable for most people.
When selling furniture, the color of the items plays a big role in catching a buyer's eye. Bright or unique shades can make a piece stand out. The value of the furniture also matters, as customers want quality for their money. A good price can make the deal more appealing. Finally, the design must attract potential buyers by matching their style preferences. This combination helps increase sales.
Governments often invest in education to boost the growth of their country. This investment helps create a skilled workforce for the future. It also supports the development of new industries and technologies. These efforts lead to a stronger economy over time.
Some people prefer simple tasks at their job because they are easy to complete. These tasks often require less time and effort. Others enjoy more complex challenges that test their problem-solving skills. These projects can take days or even weeks to finish. Both types of work are important in a workplace to keep things running smoothly. It depends on the person's skills and preferences.
Students in the math club are very active when it comes to solving challenging problems. They enjoy working on projects that involve data analysis. Their teacher makes this subject completely engaging by using real-world examples. One topic they find interesting is statistics, which helps them understand trends and patterns. They use this knowledge to predict outcomes in various